Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Kings. Today we are going to be cutting our Ankara bikini top. We are going to be using the plain fabric as the underbust rope and the sleeve rope. Then the Ankara will be for the cup. To cut it out, we first of all fold our fabric into two and fold it again into four. Then we'll place our pattern on the Ankara and secure it with a pin. You can also place the second part on the Ankara and secure it with a pin as well. The next thing we are going to do is to measure 0.5 inch seam allowance round, and at the underbust part we are going to measure 1 inch or more, and that will serve as a passage for our underbust rope. You can use 1 inch, you can use more than 1 inch. This depends on the width of your underbust rope. As you can see, my ½ inch seam allowance round and 1 inch here. The next thing we are going to do is to cut out the fabric. We finished cutting. The next thing we are going to do is to notch that nipple point. This will help us to match up the fabric while sewing. And we now have 4 pieces for both sides. Now, using the plain fabric, we are going to cut out our rope for the sleeves. You can use any length of your choice and the width of your choice, but for this tutorial I will make use of 16 inches for the length. I'll fold my fabric into two and measure 16 inches for the length of the rope. For the width, I'm going to make use of 3 inches for this tutorial. And after sewing, I will have 1 inch. You can make yours anyhow you like it. Now, I've marked out my rope and I'll cut it out now. I've cut out the rope and it will serve for the sleeve. The next thing we are going to do is to cut out the underbust rope. We are going to take our underbust circumference of 37 inches and add 20 inches, making it 57, and that's what I used to cut out the rope. Now, all our pieces are ready. The next thing we are going to do is to start sewing. We'll take one piece from the center front and one piece from the side front. Match it up at the nipple point where we notched. Secure it with a pin. Then I'll move over to the sewing machine and join the pieces together. I've joined the pieces and I also use my steam iron to press it open. I also joined the rope and turned it to the right side. The next thing is to join the lining and the main fabric. How we are going to do that is we'll pick up one piece, we'll put the rope on it, we'll pick up the second piece, we'll match it up. Make sure that the line at the center aligns together. Then we'll secure it with a pin. Secure the two pieces with your pin. After pinning, we'll move over to the sewing machine and join them together. We'll do the same for the other side. I'm done sewing it and I also pressed it with my steam iron. The next step to take is to sew it round at the edge. This will help to keep the two pieces in place. After sewing it round, I'll overlock the edges. I've sewn it at the edge and I also overlocked it. The next thing to do is to fold that 1 inch allowance I added at the underbust. I'll fold it and sew it. I've sewn down the 1 inch and I'm using my safety pin to pass the underbust rope through that channel. I've passed the rope and our bikini top is now ready. As you can see, our bikini top is ready. I'll be looking forward to see your own practicals. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell. In our next class, we'll be learning how to make the Ankara bikini pants. Bye!